Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a group on Telegram. It's very easy and simple. First, open your Telegram app on your Android or iPhone, it doesn't matter. And then you can click pencil icon in the bottom right corner. And then as you can see there is new group option, you can click it. Then you can add your contact. I will just keep it for now. Then you can type your group name. Let's say I will like this tutorial with Sena, and you can click next. That's it. And you can also add members here, maybe your contact or your friend. Yeah guys, if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.